Wairabia mwanchumu rigiriria mubasobene ekero charagire chinsa isano na ibere asiri tukerigarie juma karibu sana ase kiunga chinsa isano na ibere elio tukumanye ayagendete gukorekana ase nchira yobwenge nigo tukubwaterana nere Vanessa Nyaboke kurugaria sinse munye bimanyererio na ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto ekeunga chinsa isano na ibere nigo tuguchaka kurwa se county ya Nyamira magega yegeta senikia getembe kumurekera ubugima bw'abana chintakana abukonyora bamenyete buka inse y'emyaka 13 kurwa ase kinyorokia murare ikigotoka imeyo mugonchoro county ya Nyamira nigo bono abana bo bali nekibako gokera magega yogo konywa amuno musamariumia umanyakanite mna Thomas Nyaga Kasukuru na nigo baso ase skuru elio kugenderera amona masomabo ukwana chinga kicho niga abana bo babete bakorokia omugokobo na komenta goteba buna mbachi gokoro mukia eli bachigwe konya asa matukari bosyo ase boigo babere bakweranira imbye muno gochia asa musabali oyo muya ase ngencho yoko bakonya
ichinga kichabu tukuna tukore ntweke tokobwa ndite gosho turari sinitweka toro bona na igoncha bajumbe baito motokonye ndito togende school togende na masoma ito nari uwanja motokonye togende school no boarding mutu akanchi school fees ndobwato moyo bogosoma ndeta gosoma ngocha ukinamba munyagitari.
I've just received them today, so we believe they are going to feel comfortable in our school and life here will be just like home.
Utoruseiri musigo monene une serikali ya sekenyoro ko gara twaraje kuna komonta weire una abana babare na endega we are assured of security na mangana ichisema
twarorera mangana maya skuru engia bana bacha gosoma bia bibi nonyenga ngina nakwete we are so much happy getembe tuigure bia mwakorire gasingiye kwa rinu mwaru sitia matangasa elitangani umweshimiwa agachakorora abana bacandike abashimiwa bande inki batakurigerira gentu buneke kogera abatari abana boka batari ababuka twarara baregaiga na bange sana emichi yitugweta gusiyengima obwene tukurigerirwa bono na batokuburia abashimiwa directage abantu bandi buna GMCA MPs na governors gakikonya abana
magega yombo basukana omobe bwendege koira amagima y'abantu batano nomo abo litukuria Jumamosi egati yabo umujumbe bw'ebunge ya Emurwa Dikir omuske Johana Ngeno nigo bono umuyiga bwoko mwenia omuskoyu ogendete kwenekiwa imeye county ya Narok aso umuyigo yoyo nigo umurugyo ya Johana Ngeno abaga kumulina omwanchoye na komotogi koba oyorenge omunyankonko naboigo omusani aso bugima bwaye no nabo nigo umurugyo abagakwerana gotebabuna wetera aso gusira kwaye Johana Ngeno nigo bono ya mubetereiriere gochikogendera gutigara erebyeka asengenchi yo kumusiria omwanchoye.
Going to read the tribute. Penzi wangu Johana, kuondoka kwako kumeacha pengo kubwa moyoni mwangu. Ulikuwa mume wangu, rafiki yangu na faraja yangu. Upendo wako utaendelea kuishi ndani yetu milele. Kama ilivyoandikwa katika Biblia, Ruth 1:16. Usinisihi nikuache, nirejee nisikufuate. Kwa maana uendako nitakwenda, na ukaapo nitakaa. Watu wako watakuwa watu wangu, na mbugu wako atakuwa Mungu wangu. Kwa mama yangu mpendwa, Mary, ujue nitabaki kukujali na kukuheshimu kama mama yangu mwenyewe. Kwa watoto wetu Cheruto na Chesang, baba yenu aliwapenda sana na kumbukumbu zake zitaendelea kuishi ndani yenu. Na kwa watu wetu wa Dikir, asanteni kwa upendo wenu. Nitaendelea kuwa karibu nanyi na kuwasaidia kadri nitakavyoweza. Johana, ulipendwa na utakumbukwa daima. Asanteni.
Asomo yego yoyo obako gukorekana gusogendete gukorekana asichinsemo cha Mugongo ime ye county ya Narok nigo abairi abasani amuna bari baba bagwikirana asomo yego yubebiroro ase bonse barenge korawa n'umurayi wense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigo boigo eyamate yabage kumurera umusikengeno asengencho yogosira kwae.
We gather with heavy hearts to say goodbye to our beloved Carlos. To us, Carlos was not just a name. He was a pillar of our family, a source of our strength, love, and guidance. Carlos had a heart full of kindness. He cared deeply for his family and always put others before himself. Whether it was through his words of advice, his laughter, or the smile way he showed up when someone needed help. Carlos made a difference in our lives. As a family, we will forever cherish the memories we shared with him. The conversations, the smile, the moments that brought us together. Though he is no longer with us physically, his love remains in our hearts forever.
The family of late Carlos wishes to express its sincere and heartfelt gratitude to the government for the honor and support shown to our family during this difficult time. We greatly appreciate the pledges made towards providing job opportunities for members of our family and support those in school since Carlos was paying school fees for them. This gesture has given us hope and reassurance as we face the future without our beloved Carlos. Your commitment to supporting the family reflects compassion, respect, and recognition of his life and legacy. We are also deeply thankful for the support extended by the government in ensuring that Carlos received dignified and decent send-off. The assistance, coordination, and respect demonstrated throughout the funeral arrangements meant a great deal to our family and helped us honor his memory in a meaningful way. On behalf of the entire family, we extend our profound appreciation for kindness, solidarity, and generosity.
Ebunge nene abo Igoro Maragoba niko yabete kegwetia omuswada o National Infrastructure Fund Bill eyo erekiganje gechi trillion isano eyo erachikwane kibuna eserikali ingoikiranire amagendero ao igati yabo obwagachi bwechipara obolemi igati yechi sector chinde chinyinge asibono eganyete gochigwetigwa no muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto gochikoba lichiko nigobono ebili eyo erachikoa umuraibwense ne bunge nene chinguru asokora ekiganje ekyo yechi trillion isano buna enchira yemo yokumusira umuraibwense kwene kibuna ense ya Kenya ngosoere aserombe yechinse chiri chigenderete egati yabo ense ya Singapore ebileyo nigo yabeteke wetiwa nabajumbe magega yogo kolerwa ama onchoryo.
This fund is an investment vehicle, and indeed this amendment now is buttressing that fact that this fund is like the Temasek in Singapore. It is like the Future Fund in Australia. It is like South Africa's National Investment Infrastructure and Investment Fund, or the Japanese Investment and Infrastructure Fund. So let me tell those people, because they know themselves, I don't need to name names.
Constitutes an infrastructure fund, or what constitutes a Catholic national infrastructure is what is being taught to be defined properly in clause 4. That this particular, just for comfort of members, this particular amendment was seeking to, the current bill reads that for you to qualify to be a chairperson of the board or a member of the board, you need to have served in senior management of leadership position for a period of 15 years. So that would have meant that assuming you completed your undergraduate at 23 years of age, like I did, and maybe worked in an entry-level job for 5 years, you'll be 28. And then for you now to go to senior management, you need another 5, you'll become 33, 34. And then for you now to have 15 years of experience in senior leadership, you'll be at least 50 years of age.
Now propose the question that clause 1 be amended as proposed. I now put the question that clause 1 be amended as proposed. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 1 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Mwanchumu rigereria nara yukurwa semeza yekeonga chinsa isano na ibire ekero cheregire chinsa 10 na ningirane inkoletera yandi ase nchira yobwingi genda gutwara uburigereri borobya ekarto bwateranire neti mwingima kwenekia kwa yanyorire